Hi everyone. So today we'll go for exercise part number 7. Okay. So before going to the design, same procedure. First we will understand the sketch. Okay. So this is your isometric view. So if I will stand here and see, this is my front view. Which you can see this is my front view. This is my front view, and this is my side view. Okay. This is my side. First, what you need to do? What you need to do first is we will starting from half of the diagram. Okay, then mirror it, mirror it. Then we will remove this portion. Okay, we will remove this portion. Okay, so we'll start part design. Right, and so create a point, insert an axis, go to the plane, go to the plane. So you can see here one rectangle. Sorry, one what is this? Horizontal line. In it is in minus 30, 34, 23, 30, and one inclined line and a length. See how I will do. Taking the profile, this one, this one, this one. Okay, and next step. What is this dimension? Horizontal dimension, it is 34, 34. What is this vertical dimension? 23, then 30, 23. This one how much? 30, 30. Then what is this length? What is this length? 22.17, but it need to be divided by 2. 22.17 by 2. Okay, and this length you can say, what is this length from this line to this axis? Total is 11. Yes, 11. Radius is 11. From this to this it is 11. Okay, I think any dimension is left. Yes, from this line this is 30, 34. What is the total dimension? Total dimension is 50. You can see the total dimension is 50 plus 30 means 80. From this line, what is this dimension? It is 80. And I'll do the mirror, auto search, mirror with respect to the horizontal axis, and in there I need to do a circle. So here for that arc, starting from this center point to this to this. Okay, it's completed. Now edges to our fence. What is the pair length? I already explained to you the pair length, it is 34 in side view. Okay, pair length is 34. 34. Okay, now come to the side view. We need to remove this. Okay, side view top remove 20, 27. To the side view select, go to the sketch. Okay, then a rectangle, rectangle, right click, coincidence, edge, right click, coincidence. What is this length? 20, 20. What is this length? 27. 27. Then go for exist workbench. So pocket, mirror extend, and you can see your diagram. Okay, see your diagram. Okay, so thank you all. If you like this video, you can like, comment, subscribe.